Hi, CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to show you how to install our 18-inch Stealth Lightbar Kit like you see here for your 22 and 23 Toyota Tundra. We can start by popping the hood and grabbing a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts along the top of the grille. Then, at each side of the top of the grille, you'll notice 2 connections. We can go ahead and unplug them on both sides and remove the plastic clip underneath the connectors with a plastic trim removal tool. Next, we'll grab our 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts underneath the front of the wheel wells on either side. We'll now move underneath the bumper to remove 8 more 10mm bolts along the bottom. 3 on the driver's side, passenger side, and 2 in the middle. Looking through the grille, you'll see 4 more 10mm bolts we'll need to remove, holding on 2 more brackets. Next, we'll grab our black fender trim, pry it away from the front bumper until it passes where the bumper and the fender meet. We're about ready to take off the front bumper now. If you have a friend, now would be a good time to grab them, but you can do this on your own. Grab the outer edge of the bumper, prying away from the retention clips, working your way along the fender and the bottom of the headlight. With both sides released, you'll grab the center of the grille and pull it away from the vehicle, setting it face down on a soft surface. With our bumper out of the way, we can now take a 17mm socket and remove the 2 center bolts on the top of the crash bar. Then, with a 14mm socket, we'll remove the 2 center bolts at the bottom of the crash bar. Next, we can slide our bumper support bracket over the crash bar, securing them with our 17mm and 14mm bolts, with the DD logo in the correct orientation and the middle tab going towards the center of the vehicle. We'll now bolt on our light bar to the bumper support brackets using the supplied M6 bolts, leaving them hand tight to leave room for adjustment later. With our light bar loosely mounted, we can now tighten down the 17 and 14 millimeter bolts holding down the bumper support brackets. We're now ready to start our wiring. To do this, we'll need a 12 millimeter socket to remove the nuts from the positive and negative terminal of our battery. We'll secure the black wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to our positive terminal and tighten them back down. Next, we'll route the switch across the engine bay through the firewall to the location of your choice, securing it away from any hot or moving parts. If you have an aftermarket aux bank like us, you can instead disconnect the switch portion of the harness and replace it with the auxiliary lead. Then we can take our DT connector and feed it through the hole between the back of the headlight and the airbox. Finally, we can make our aiming adjustments by tilting the light bar up and down. When we're happy with where it's at, we can tighten down the two M6 bolts with a 10 millimeter socket. We're now ready to reinstall our bumper, reversing the process we used to take it off. You'll notice we also installed our Stage Series TRD Pro Grille Lightbar Kit, as well as our SS6 Fog Light Kit. If you'd like to learn more about these products and how to install them, you can check the links below. As you can see with our SS18 Stealth Lightbar Kit installed, not only does it maintain a Stealth OEM Plus look to your Tundra, but it also provides a significant amount of added light while off-road. If you're looking to pick up a Stealth Lightbar Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit DiodeDynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Thanks for watching.